Nakatanda ang unang harapan ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters at the former Rain or Shine head coach Yeng Guiao sa Biyernes kung saan target ng Elasto Painters na makabounce back sa kanilang pagkatalo kontra Star. Naniniwala naman si Rain or Shine guard Jericho Cruz na hindi kailangang magkaroon ng magandang start ang team para makuha ang panalo. Narito si teammate Maria Isabel Reyes para sa buong detalye.
Moving on na mula sa kanilang sorry loss sa Star Hotshots noong weekend, ang Rain or Shine Elasto Painters dahil mas malaking laban ang haharapin nila ngayong Biyernes. Matapos kasi ang kanilang match-up kontra kay former ROS player at ngayon Hotshots gunner Paul Lee, nakatakda namang harapin ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters squad, ang kanilang former mentor at ngayon ay NLEX head tactician coach Yeng Guiao. Aminado si ROS guard Jericho Cruz, magkahalong excitement at kaba ang nararamdaman nila sa pagharap sa dati nilang coach lalo't matagal din nilang nakasama sa kupunan ang Fury coach.
We're excited and happy at the same time that we get to face our old coach, our old mentor, Coach Yeng. But at the end of the day, we go there, we're going there for a war, we're going there for work. This is our job, so we gotta win it for Coach Kaloy, the Rain or Shine, also to the Rain or Shine fans. And siguro it's gonna be a great game again. I know Coach Yeng, they lost 4 in a row, so I think they'll say something to his players to fire them up. And
5 taong naging head coach ng Rain or Shine si Coach Yeng, kung saan 2 beses siyang nanalo ng PBA Championship kasama ang koponan. Isa rito ang recent Commissioner's Cup title na magkasama nilang napanalunan. Ayon kay Cruz, halos pareho ang sistema ng NLEX Road Warriors at ng kanyang koponan, kung kaya sigurado umano siyang magiging close fight ang harapan nila sa Biyernes.
Actually, we have the same system, we have the same plays, we have the same defense, so overall it's gonna matter who's gonna be picking it up fast, who's gonna do it, consistency in the game. And that's when we're gonna find out who's gonna win. But for us, we'll do our job, and Coach gonna have us fix some types of plays that Coach Yeng never run before. And I hope it works, and then I hope to get the win this coming Friday.
Sa Biyernes, alas 7 ng gabi nakatakda ang unang harapan ng Elasto Painters at Road Warriors sa Phil Sports Arena. Maria Isabel Reyes, PTV Sports.